On your demand, I am going to explain extraction of highly reactive metals, which is a part of metals and non-metals, and the subpart is metallurgy. As for example, extraction of sodium from its old rock salt. Extraction of sodium from rock salt. Two highly reactive metals you have to study according to CBSE. Number one is extraction of sodium from rock salt and extraction of aluminium from bauxite. So in this video I am going to explain extraction of sodium from rock salt. Similar to this process and similar to this reaction, you can equate the extraction of aluminium from bauxite. The first thing, for the extraction we use the process electrolytic reduction. Electrolytic reduction. From each and every point, question can be framed in your board examination. Number one, what is the process? The process is electrolytic reduction. Electrolysis, it means what? By electricity, the given compound, or we can say electrolyte, is broken down. Clear? The second point, we have to construct this. This is a electrolysis apparatus in which in a beaker we have to take molten rock salt. Remember it? Molten rock salt. It means NaCl in the form of liquid. NaCl in the form of liquid. There is no aqueous solution. So the second question, why we cannot use the aqueous solution? Okay, I will give the answer of this question later. So first of all, as an electrolyte, what we have to take? We have to take molten rock salt, which is NaCl, molten NaCl. We have to take two electrodes. It may be consist of any element, but here generally we use carbon. Okay, one part of anode is connected with the positive part of the battery, so it is anode, and the negative part is cathode. Okay, then when electricity flows from in this electrolyte, what happened? The reaction is very important. First of all, NaCl is broken down into its respective ions. The respective ions are sodium ion and chloride ion. Is that clear? As electricity flow in this electrolyte, the first process is what? The molten rock salt is electrolyzed into its respective ions, that is sodium ion and chloride ion. Since sodium ion is the positive ion, so where it should be attracted? It is attracted towards the negative electrode. Since chloride ion is the negative ion, so it attracts towards the positive electrode. Is that clear? Sodium ion is the positive ion, so it attracts towards the negative electrode, which is cathode, and chloride ion is the negative ion, so it attracts towards the positive electrode, that is anode. Is that clear? Now, the question is that positive ion has more electron or negative ion You should know it. The negative ion has more electrons. So here chloride ion lose its extra electron and two chloride ion combined to form chlorine gas, and near anode it eliminated as chlorine gas. So we have to write this equation like this. Number 1, what happened? The question is asked as, at anode what happened? So at anode what happened? Two chloride ion lose its two electron and they combine to form chlorine gas. Is that clear? This electron move from anode to cathode, and here what happened? Sodium metal combine or gain this electron to form sodium metal. It means sodium ion combine with this electron to form sodium metal. So what happened at cathode? Sodium ion combine with this electron to form sodium metal. Sodium metal. So this is how you have to write the equation of extraction of sodium from rock salt. So the questions are as follows. Name the process by which we can extract sodium from rock salt. The answer will be electrolytic reduction. Question number 2. Chlorine gas is eliminated at the side of cathode or anode. You have to write the answer anode. Sodium metal is formed at the side of anode or cathode. You have to write cathode. What happened at anode? You have to write this equation. What happened at cathode? You have to write this equation. One more question which is very, very important, that why we cannot use aqueous solution of NaCl or the rock salt. Why we should use molten rock salt? The answer is that sodium is very highly reactive metal. So as it forms, it quickly reacts with water and forms sodium hydroxide. Since sodium is very highly reactive metal, so as it forms, it reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide. But in this process, what we want? We want metal. We don't want sodium hydroxide. So we cannot use the aqueous solution of NaCl. We should use the molten rock salt. And that's it all about extraction of sodium from rock salt. You can write the extraction of aluminium from the aluminium oxide or bauxite. Is that clear? So write it. If you will get any doubt, you can write your doubt in your comment box. And if you want the further videos on the several topics,
small gesture from our end to make your board exam easier. I'm sure you're getting help from it and you are making most of it. Please like the channel, subscribe the channel, and if you want us to make more videos on any particular topic, then please do leave your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.